Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be doing question 24. Does a child go to a school that is solely meant for children who are unable to function in the county provided school? So this is where we go into the special education platform where they're in, essentially a specialized school system. These schools are usually great at creating documentation specific to the child's impairments and things that they're trying to do to make the child better. But the problem with this is that they usually produce documentation that shows a significant increase in the child's functional abilities based on improvements in different areas. Which means if the child is improving a lot, then the judge is less likely to find the child disabled. So you got to be careful with these. Go make sure you have the different programs, the write-ups, the forms, check in with the teachers, and then go ahead and learn so that you can give more information to the administrative law judge about how the child may not be improving as well as those faculty, administrative staff are saying that the child actually is in these types of facilities, these programs. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Knott, Disability Resolution PA. We'll catch you a little bit later. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and thank you so much. Like, subscribe, 5 stars. Bye-bye.